Lecture 9 Introduction to Shortcut Keys. Hello friends! Today we're learning about something super cool that makes using the keyboard faster and easier. It's called shortcut keys. After learning this lecture, students will be able to understand shortcut keys, use shortcut keys. Why use shortcut keys? Shortcut keys are like magic tools. They save you time and make your work easier. For example, you can do multiple tasks faster, like copying and pasting, switching between windows, or even locking your screen. Once you start using them, you'll feel like a computer expert. Common shortcut keys in MS Word. Now, let's learn some important shortcut keys in MS Word. Ready? Here we go! Ctrl+A selects everything on the page. Ctrl+B makes your text bold. Ctrl+C copies the selected text. Ctrl+D opens the font settings window. Ctrl+E aligns text to the center. Ctrl+F opens the find box to search for words. More cool shortcuts. There's more. These shortcut keys are super helpful too. Ctrl+I italicizes the text. Ctrl+J justifies your text, makes it neat and even. Ctrl+L aligns your text to the left. Ctrl+N creates a new document. Ctrl+O opens an existing file. Ctrl+P prints your document. Even more handy keys. Wow, you're doing great! Here are a few more keys to remember. Ctrl+S saves your document. Alt+F(A) saves your file with a different name. Ctrl+U underlines text. Ctrl+V pastes the text you copied. Ctrl+W closes your document. Ctrl+X cuts the selected text. Ctrl+Y redoes the last action. Ctrl+Z undoes the last action. Shortcut keys are like having superpowers on your keyboard. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing and remember, shortcut keys make life easy.